You can do it.
Hi guys, I'm about to show you how to make the best hollandaise. It's called New School Hollandaise. I made it a long time ago now and we did it on a live video and it's gone a bit viral, so we thought we'd make a proper video, and here it is. I've halved the recipe because it does make enough for an entire restaurant. So you can reheat it. You've got to be very careful because otherwise you end up with scrambled eggs. So what I have here is an egg and a half, so a yolk and a half an egg, sorry. I am zesting the lemon. Pretty impressive as it comes off. Some lemon juice. Maybe a pip. I'm just going to go with 30 grams of lemon juice. Not quite, 25. And a good healthy pinch of pink salt flakes. 1 minute, speed 8. So we've emulsified the egg yolks or eggs with the lemon juice. Now we're adding boiling butter through the hole in the lid. Also on speed 8 for 1 minute. So I'm setting the timer. My butter is boiling. And that is it, off we go. Okay, I haven't done this for a while. Whoa. Perfect. It's about to drizzle.
Okay, that's good.
So we're poaching some eggs, and just to show you what you can have it on, but you can have this on anything. This is great on pizza, actually. We've got a breakfast pizza that has bacon and eggs and then hollandaise on top of it. Eggs Benny pizza. Eggs Benedict obviously is what it was originally created for. Whoever Benedict is, we love him. He works something out really good. This is the easiest, quickest hollandaise sauce there is, and it's called New School Hollandaise. We're going to do that just because, but watch this space. We're going to do some toast now. Truffle butter in case you're filming this. Bree's coming to put the poached eggs on. This is our perfect poached eggs recipe, which is another video. I'm going to use that. Thanks. Look at that. And then you just get your hollandaise, which is already started to set, which is basically butter, guys. Butter and more eggs. More chives. Bit of cracked pepper. You can tell we were ready for this, can't you? Breakfast. We've got salmon in the fridge. We've got bacon in the fridge, but you know, that is pretty awesome. That's a bit nice. Truffle and hollandaise and homemade rye sourdough and poachies. Breakfast of champions.